Hi everybody, Robert Jones back in the tasting corner with you today. I got something exciting to try. You know, I went on a rampage at the India store, so I've got all kinds of goodies to keep taste testing with you guys. Today we have some more cookies. We have the, see if I can hold these all at the same time and itch my nose. Okay, so today we have three different cookies. We have the gold chocolate up here, which appears to be a gold cookie with a chocolate filling. We also have the butter cookie from Gold Star. This one seems to be by Creams Gold, and also by Creams Gold we have pineapple. Now, I've never seen a pineapple cookie, so that is very exciting. So I think we're going to start with the butter because I think it's going to be a plain flavor, and then we'll move on to maybe the chocolate and the pineapple or vice versa. It doesn't really matter to me, but I'm excited. These were 79 cents a pack, I know, because the price tag's still on them here. They are a product of India. This brand is from Parle, P-A-R-L-E. I'm guessing maybe it's Parle, product of India. They've even got the 1970s pitch in and reduce waste symbol here. Can you see that? Pitch in. That's kind of funny. What can I tell you about these? These are Creams Gold chocolate flavored sandwich biscuits. Oh yes, I forgot. British Empire, so they're biscuits, not cookies. Wheat flour, sugar, RBD palm oil. I don't know what RBD stands for. I'll have to look that up. Invert sugar, cocoa solids, leavening agent, sodium carbonate, salt. All the normal stuff to produce cookies that can be in a bag. There you go. Okay, let's crack it open. Oh, all right, it's in my hand. This is not the order I was going to choose, but it doesn't matter. All right, cracking it open here. Might have to snippy it. I think I'm going to have to snippy. All right, snippy. Boom, just like that. All right, first impression smell. I smell chocolate. That is a good thing. I can also see that the first one is totally crushed. So I have a lovely cup from one of my other videos, Beard Coffee from Andreas Franzen in Sweden. I'm going to use this right now just to put the broken cookie in. Don't worry. We'll get, oh, we'll get there. Yeah, so you can see the cookie broke, and that's exactly how much sandwich cookie filling there is. What is up with that? Let's let the broken pieces fall away. Now I know why they fell away. Look how cheap that is. There's like almost no filling in there. All right, drop that one in. Let's see if we can get another one that is whole, and maybe it'll have more filling. Maybe that was just a fluke cookie. Oh, maybe, because this one, I'm going to see if I can open it here for you guys. Sorta. Well, nope. All right. What is up, India? Barely any filling on the inside. That's not an Oreo, but it's there. The other one fell apart too. They're in there. Let's try it. Remember how I said it smelled of chocolate? Remember how I said it smelled of chocolate? That's about all it does. There is not a lot of chocolate flavor going on there. But I will say that the cookie is kind of pleasant. It's obviously, it looks like an Oreo, or a Hydrox, if you will. But I'm wondering, can you guys, you see how you can see me through the cookie? You see my eye through the cookie? That means there's almost no filling in there. Come on, you guys. And again, I'm going to open it up just so you can see. Not a lot of filling. All right, I'm going to try to taste just the filling. It's mostly just greasy. It has a little bit of chocolate flavor. All right, let's see if we can try the biscuit now. The cookie's okay. And believe it or not, the name brand that tastes like to me, just so you guys know what I'm talking about. Do you guys know Springfield brand? It is like a generic off-the-shelf brand that you see in small markets because they don't usually go to big markets like Kroger or Vons or any of those. Springfield brand sandwich cookies with lemon filling. You know what I'm talking about? It tastes like those cookies. No lemon, just the cookie. All right, moving on from the chocolate. We'll have a little bit of coffee. You know, one day I'm going to have other people here with me again. And we're all going to taste test together. We're going to have discussions and coffee talk. All right, I am now opening the butter cookies. These ones are these Parle? Are they both Parle? Oh, they're both Parle. Okay, so these are the gold star. And I guess they're a gold star because if you look, it has a star on the cookie. Are they the star of the show? I don't know. I don't know. All right, you guys, what do you think of the beard? Is it getting a little long? It's Christmas time. I'm letting it be a little Poseidon, a little Christmas. Got Christmas motif here. All right, open these up. These are opening quite easily. So, first impression smell. First impression smell is they smell stale. All right, so these are not broken. They are whole. But what's up with the star? It's like a wonky shape. It's not even. It has a, maybe if I put it this way. So look, there, that looks better. I like the long legs at the bottom. All right. Okay, first of all, it's a little stale. It smells stale. But I'm not tasting butter flavor. For being a butter cookie, and look, even have all these little curls of butter here. Maybe it's not stale I taste. Maybe it's just not butter, weird oil. What kind of fat did they use in this, I wonder? Let's see. Oh, it's because it's palm oil. It's not butter. Number 1 ingredient, wheat. Number 2 ingredient, palm oil. Then sugar, then invert sugar. Oh, then it says butter. I do not taste butter. What I do taste is a salty finish. That's kind of weird. All right, we're moving on because I'm not impressed. All right. By the way, my P.O. box is down below. Should you like to send me something to try from your country, your land, your village, your town in America, your, I don't know, whatever it is, I would love to do a taste test for you guys and tell you all about it. Like this, cream gold pineapple cookies. The cookies you've been looking for. No. Flavored sandwich cookies, 2.34 ounces. That's 66.64 grams. What's some weird measurements here? Nothing is even. Not ounces, not grams. 79 cents at the store. It says something about them imported by House of Spices, New York. There you go. And it says they're pineapple. And I can't read the ingredients because it's black. That is black writing written on the green. I don't think they want you to actually be able to read it. So, all right, enough talking about it. Let's open it. All right, look, they look the same. But, oh, okay, so unlike the chocolate ones, these actually look, let me grab one from the middle. Well, or maybe I just got it turned the right direction. Oh, I think I'm right. All right, let me put the cup over here so I can drop all the crumbs again. All right, here's what I saw when I opened the package. Ooh, delicious filling. And then the top fell off like this. And then I thought, ooh, not so much delicious filling. I think you need to adjust the squirter. It needs to squirt more frosting in there. All right. These totally smell like Mexican Kool-Aid pineapple flavor. I can't remember the name of the company, but there is a Mexican company that makes like a sugar powder mix, kind of like Kool-Aid. It already has the sugar and the flavor and everything else. You just add it to water and make an aguas, if you will, the piña aguas. Or if you're like me, you mix it with milk, because then it makes a delicious piña milk. Anyway, piña milk, not piñas milk. Anyway, so this is the pineapple. Get it in the light so you can see it. There you go. It smells very much like the artificial pineapple smell of that Kool-Aid kind of stuff. And again, it has much more smell than it has actually flavor. It just kind of tastes like fatty frosting. Now, as they say on facts videos all the time, that'd be great with a nice cup of tea. But I have coffee. I love that on the facts videos they always say everything would be great with a great cup of tea. Irish, you know. Okay. So what am I thinking about this one? I'm thinking of all the three. This is the better one, the best one. Again, you can see my eye through the cookie. You can see how little, look, that doesn't even stick together. Oh, do you see the pearl? Maybe I can put a pearl in there. It's like a little oyster. All right, let's just try a whole cookie. It's the same. It just tastes cheap. India, I'm kind of disappointed me. I love Indian food. In fact, 2 days ago, some friends and I went to Indian for dinner. A lovely meal here in town. A place called, I think it's Flavor of India or Taste of India. I think it's Flavor of India. I don't know. Anyway, it's here in Santa Barbara, and it is delicious. Been going there for 20 years. And the thing about Indian food is when you leave, you just feel so satisfied. You don't even feel like you need to have a dessert. You just feel all the spice notes have been hit, the right hot and cold and spicy. But I have to tell you, these biscuits are not that. So overall, I give these a 5. If somebody put them out and I had a cup of tea, I'd probably eat them. But I don't think that I would buy them again. But they're fun to try. So there you go. All right, you guys. Indian cookies. What do you think? I'm Robert Jones. This is Taste Test. I'd love you to have come back for more. Tell me some suggestions of what you guys would like to see me taste test that I can find. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.